Lee's just reminded me there's a beamer somewhere down here. There wants to be. Anyway, there's a beamer down here that's got a caved inside or a caved in door. And they phoned up for it, so they're wanting it back. Big walk looking for a car. But it's just down here. Boxed in with all these vans here. I'll just give it a walk round this. 420 diesel beamer. Right. If you can see it in camera. But it's all dented here. Big dent there. And it's dented here. Scraped up here. But yeah, it's creased it there. Got a crease in it there and it's like flattened it. Yeah, you couldn't see it properly outside. But you can just see that big flat spot there where it's gone outside or something. I'm gonna pull him. Got it. It has pulled in a bit with I think it's just everything drying so fast, isn't it? There's a lot gone on quick. Primer, base coat, lacquer, extra fast. Extra fast lacquer. Yeah. Sometimes it's alright, sometimes it's not. Just what lacquering needs when they're trying to keep up with me. Oh, I'm not looking, I'm just sitting that on my way. What's it got to do with it anyway? They use it. They use it. That could have filled it. You tell me to fill a car and then tell me how to f***ing fill it. I'm just going to scotch it now. I'm just going to scotch it and clean it up and get it into oven. So this is all just 500. So I'm just hoping to put 1 coat of paint up here. Keep away from bumper with paint. We'll just put clear lacquer up here. Keep away from bolt with paint. Just put clear lacquer up here. But just paint side. It's not a virgin. It's seen paint before. There's some misses, dry paint. I've seen a little bit of paint movement sagging in it, so I'll buzz that out, so it'll just make a better job. You're in for a look round. Here we go. Push! Here we go. Reflection shot. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Fuck! I've done it! Yeah, we'll not be messing about polishing that. Get it debagged, get do an angle bang back in, and full send.